Let's make cookies and cream fudge. Add 8 to 9 Oreos broken into chunks to an 8x8 inch pan lined with parchment paper and spread them out on the bottom. Add 2 1/2 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter to a medium pot. Set burner to low and gently melt the chocolate and the butter, stirring frequently until all melted. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then pour the chocolate mixture over the Oreo cookies. Then add another 8 to 9 broken up Oreos on top. Trim away any excess parchment paper and then cover with plastic wrap and chill at least 1 hour. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut into squares. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.